So I guess I'm just gonna make this as my update video of on my truck. So I got 33s to fit without rubbing or cutting anything, but I had to remove the mud guards. So how I got these to fit, these are 285/70/17s, and how I got 33s to fit is I adjusted. I played around with my alignment a little bit. Took a couple tries. I ended up running 4.25 degree positive caster. 3.3. It was at 3 degrees, and it was still rubbing, so I went a little bit more. But I have 0.1 degree of camber. I would have liked a little bit more, some negative camber. But yeah, you can have one, but not the other, and that moved the wheel forward. So it's pretty even on this side compared to this side. It doesn't rub or touch, so usually about right there. It'll probably hit this, but I got good finger space. And then when you go full lock, it doesn't touch the cab mounts. So didn't need to chop those, so I didn't have to do any trimming or cutting other than just remove the front mud guards. I kept the rear mud guards on because I wanted to. I like it with them on. On the rear, the leaf springs I got are the OME Constant Heavies and OME rear shocks. And on the front, I got the medium load springs with OME front sport shocks. And yeah. Oh, and terrain tamer upper control arms. So yeah, that's the update video. But I got the factory TRD wheels, not the replicas. Yeah, so they're 17x7 and plus 4 offset is what I have running, and they just poke out just a little bit. Looks pretty. I think they look pretty good. Yeah, so that's the update video. Yeah, right after had all this installed, we took it out on a Sunday. Well, was it Halloween? Yeah, Halloween Sunday. So thanks to Jerry for getting all my parts in and helping me out just in time for my long road trip ahead in the next couple of weeks, because I needed to fit those winter tires, and we are required to have winter tires on certain highways in BC or in Canada. But yeah, I already took it out for a test run on Sunday during Halloween. It was nice and sunny, but as you can see, it's pretty wet and rainy today, so it was a nice day. I'll put up a short clip of where we were at, but as an update video, right now I got 17,000 kilometers on the clock so far, and it's only been almost 6 months since I got the truck. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, and enjoy the view on the next clip.